Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the error code 319 in Roblox. To get started, simply search for %local app data %. You'll get a folder, simply click on it. From here, go to the temp folder. Find the Roblox folder and simply delete it from here. Once done, open Roblox and see if you still get the error or not. In the next method, search for command prompt. Right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description. You will get these command lines. Simply copy them in order. Paste it in the command prompt window and hit enter to execute them. Do the same for all the commands you see here. Once done with the final command, it will ask you to restart your computer. Simply close everything and restart your computer for the changes to take effect and see if the error gets resolved or not. In the next method, search for installed apps and click on it. In the search box here, type Roblox. You'll get the installation of Roblox. Simply click here and uninstall the program. Once uninstalled, open your browser, download the latest version of Roblox from its official web page, install it and see if the issue gets resolved or not. Perform this bonus step as well. Go to your Windows settings. Then go to Windows Update. Now check for any pending Windows updates. If you have any pending Windows updates, simply download and install them, and this will ensure that the error is not occurring further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you found the content helpful, and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.